I see the results and I don't believe it myself. So insane for your hair to grow that fast. Look, I'm barely. Hi guys, it's Mariah here. I'm going to be showing you my rice water treatment from beginning to end. And basically I'm just going to start off by washing my hair because this wash and go is 3 days old and I messed it up by the way I slept. So yeah, basically I'm just going to be showing you guys from washing my hair to preparing the rice water and everything like that. So just stay tuned. And I also have some before, which is, this is the beginning of the week right now. So I will show you that right now and I will show you after at the end of the week. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button to show some love and support for my channel also, because you know we all need some love. And anyways, just keep on watching the video.
Hey, so I am starting off with some rice water. This is 5-month-old rice water fermented, and I left the rice in there. I did 2 tablespoons of rice, and then I did 2 cups of water, and it's been in there since January. And I added some wild hair growth oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and lavender essential oil. And all I'm going to do is add conditioner in my hair, and then I'm going to start with the rice water process basically. And I'm making sure that my hair is detangled so that I get real accurate measurements. And guys, I tell you, this rice water was crazy because my hair grew so much. I could not believe how fast my hair grew. So first I am spraying down my hair with the rice water, and then I do a 5-minute scalp massage, and then after that I basically wrap up my hair and go to sleep. But I end up switching up my routine later on, I think during day 2 or day 3. I'll show you guys that in a minute.
Currently day 2, and I just wanted to switch something up real quick. I did rice water yesterday and this morning, and now it's the middle of the day, but I wanted to actually try to apply it to my strand since my hair is technically high porosity, and I wanted to actually mark it actually this time. So I did already put markings on this shirt, but I believe they were wrong because I want to do like bulk of my hair. So I'm gonna try this again, and I'm gonna put the shirt on backwards. Okay, and I'm gonna measure my hair in the braids.
So as you see, I'm measuring my hair in the braids, and I pulled as hard as I can to try to get the most accurate measurement, and I did that for both sides, and I just continued on with my treatment. So every morning I undid my braids, applied the rice water, and then at night, and I did massage my scalp for 5 minutes in the morning also. Then I braided back up my hair, and that was pretty much it. And then at nighttime I sprayed it on my scalp and massaged my scalp for 5 minutes, and I didn't undo my braid at night, but I did this every day, and every 2 days I checked back for how long my hair was. And doing it this way made my hair grow a lot longer, like applying it to my strands of my hair, and it left my hair so soft and shiny. But as you can tell, my braids are above the shirt, and at the end of this my hair is going to be below the shirt. So I could not believe the growth I was experiencing, but please just stay tuned till the end because my hair grew so much. Like, it's completely 100% past my hip bone, and I really don't know what to do with all this length. I'm just really excited for what's gonna come up in the future with my hair, and I'm really hoping I get to classic length by maybe 2 years from now, hopefully. But we're so close, and as you can see, I'm like so shocked about these results. Like, I don't even believe them myself. It's crazy.
Okay, so I showed my mom and she was shocked. And just to show you the accuracy, again, I took off the other shirt, and I'm gonna bring this low so you guys can see that my hair is still passing this length. And if I don't pull my braid, my hair's still going past this length. And
rice water is literally the truth and nothing but the truth. You guys have to try this because I am so shocked. I cannot wait to do another treatment also because of my hair growing so fast during this time. But I just, wow. I still can't believe my hair grew so much and the length it's at right now. I just didn't think I would be here this soon. I thought it would take me much longer. So let's just keep going on with this treatment and I will talk to you guys later for the end of this video.
can y'all just... I don't believe it. Like, I see the results and I don't believe it myself because it's just so insane for your hair to grow that fast. Look, I'm barely, my hair's almost past the shirt. For literally, I've been doing this every 2 days. Yesterday I saw my hair grow too when I did it. I just didn't want to mark it because I do mark every 2 days. Look at that. Here, let me bring this down. Make sure. And it's my last strand ends right there. I'm gonna mark it. Just a joke. This is literally a joke. I don't know who's the person behind all this, but something wrong. I mark right there. That's right. I think I put Sharpie on my hair. I might have put Sharpie on my hair. Like, guys, my hair is almost past the shirt. What am I gonna do when it gets past? Like, how am I gonna prove to y'all what's going on? You know, I'm gonna stretch. Yeah, right there. This is the last strand right here. Couldn't fake this if I tried. Where does it? Anyways, this is day 5, by the way. I'll see y'all tomorrow for the last rice water day. So, I just took my braids out. Today's the last day. My rice water treatments are all over. And what I'm going to do with the rest of the rice water, I have in the spray bottle. I'm going to wash my hair and I'm going to pour it down my hair as I'm detangling. And then after that, I'm going to do my hot oil treatment, detangle, shampoo my hair, and then, you know, condition and all that stuff. And then I'm going to put my hair into braids and we'll see how long the braids are. So stay tuned for that in a minute. Boom. My hair is completely past the shirt. I started here. 2 days later, I went here. 2 days later, I went here. And one more day and I went past that. So that shows you, that shows you right there how amazing this rice water is. And I can't wait to do another treatment, but I don't do them back to back. I'm just putting my hair in a braid to put it up because I'm like done with it right now. I want it up and my braids are officially to my waist, which is so crazy to me. I never thought my hair would be there. I'm gonna finish this side, come back and tell you guys about the rest and my experience. Hi guys, so I'm back. Basically, I just wanted to tell you my experience with rice water, the pros and cons, and how it was making my hair grow. So number one is I'm gonna list the cons that I didn't like about it and what I didn't like about it. My hair smelled, I guess, mildewy. Made my clothes smell really bad too, so that's why I tried to stick to the length check t-shirt. Now the pros I have to say is number one, the growth is crazy. Like, I had a setback, and I think I'm gonna post that video after this, but I had a major setback. One side of my hair is shorter than the other, and it was no longer at mid-butt length. Now I'm back at mid-butt length and even a little longer. Like, my hair is completely past my hip bone, and it took me so long to get there. So that is definitely a pro about rice water, is it grew my hair so fast. I really wasn't expecting this, and I was just so shocked of how fast my hair was growing, and it was just insane to me how fast my hair was growing because of this protein treatment. Another thing I'd like to list is that it made my hair so much thicker. Like, my hair is so much thicker. Another thing is it left my hair so shiny, soft, and moisturized. And I put conditioner on my hair too because I wanted it to stay moisturized throughout the week. But my hair was so shiny and moisturized from the rice water. Like, I thought it was gonna make my hair brittle, but it really didn't. It made it so soft and it feels so hydrated. So yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, share with your family and friends who ever want to grow long hair. Remember, my channel is about teaching people how to grow their hair long, no matter what nationality you are, because I'm African American and there's a huge stigma saying that African Americans can't have long hair or they can't grow long hair, and I'm here to break that because I'm African American. Look at my hair, look at my inches. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to show some love and support for my channel. And other than that, peace out.